Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to maths class of standard 5th. After our FA2 exams, today we are going to start our new chapter and then chapter number 11, and the name of our chapter is area and its boundary. First we are going to know what is the meaning of area. Area means whatever the space which is occupied by the complete thing, means for example box or square, rectangle, triangle. Inside that, whatever the space that is occupied, that is known as area. And boundary means the border of that complete thing about which we will discuss. For example, if we are discussing about the ground, so inside the ground, that is known as area of the ground, and the boundary of the ground, okay, means the border of the ground, it is known as boundary. So let's start with the page from page number 146. Whose slice is bigger? Parth and Ginny bought aam papad, dried mango slice from a shop. Their pieces look like this. Okay, so these are the two pieces, piece A and piece B. Both could not make out whose piece was bigger. Suggest some way to find out whose piece is bigger. Discuss. Solution. Length of piece A is 6 cm. So 6 square of side 1 cm can be arranged along its path. So you can see length is 6 cm. So in length part total 6 squares are there. And width is 5 cm. So in width there are 5 boxes. So squares can be arranged along with its width. Altogether 30 squares can be arranged. So A equals to 6 cm into 5 cm. We have already studied in one of our chapter, area of a rectangle equals to length into breadth. So this is length 6 and breadth 5. So 6 5s are 30 square centimeter. Altogether, how many squares can be arranged on it? So altogether 30 squares can be arranged. So the area of piece A is 30 square centimeter. In the same way, find the area of piece B. So you can find of the piece B also, that how many squares, means length is 11 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So in length 11 squares can be arranged and in breadth 3 can be arranged. So 11 multiply 3, it means 33 square centimeter. Who had the bigger piece and how much bigger? Okay, so piece A is 30 square centimeter and piece B is 33 square centimeter. So the piece B is bigger than the area of piece A. Difference in area of piece A and B is equal to 33 minus 30 equals to 3 square centimeter. So piece B is 3 square centimeter bigger than piece A. Cover with stamps. This stamp has an area of 4 square centimeter. Guess how many such stamps will cover this big rectangle. So like this you can arrange it. Measure the yellow rectangle. It is 14 centimeter long. How many stamps can be placed along its length? So 7 stamps can be arranged. And how wide is the rectangle? So it is 8 centimeter in width. How many stems can be placed along its width? So 4 stems can be arranged. And how many stems are needed to cover the full rectangle? Means 28. Because 4 sevens are 28. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Length of rectangle is 14 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is equal to 8 centimeter. So a rectangle has 2 length and 2 breadth. So the perimeter of rectangle equals to sum of all its sides equals to 14 plus 8 plus 14 plus 8 means 44 centimeter. That is perimeter. Perimeter means its boundary. Okay, boundary, perimeter, circumference, all will has the same meaning. Arbaz plans to tile his kitchen floor with green square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeter. His kitchen is 220 centimeter in length and 180 centimeter wide. How many tiles will he need? Okay, so this is the kitchen. Okay, kitchen is 220 centimeter. Means length of the kitchen is 220 and width of the kitchen is 180, and each tile means one tile, एक tile की length है 10 centimeter in length and in breadth. So total area of the floor is length into breadth means 220 into 180. So the answer is 39600 square centimeter, and one tile is equal to 10 into 10 means 100 square centimeter. So if we want to know how many 100 square centimeter tiles will be fitted in 39600 square centimeter of the kitchen area of the kitchen, so what we will do, we will divide 39600 upon 100. It means 396 tiles can be fitted. The fencing of square garden is 20 meter in length. How long is one side of the garden? Okay, because it is square, so both the sides will be same, means the perimeter of the garden equals to 20 meter, which has to be fenced. So length of one side equals to perimeter upon 4, because all four sides will be same. That's why upon 4. So perimeter upon 4. So the answer will be 5 meter. A thin wire 20 centimeter long is formed into a rectangle. If the width of the rectangle is 4 centimeters, what is its length? Perimeter of rectangle is 20 centimeter. Width of the rectangle is 4 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So 20 equals to 2 into length plus 2 breadth. So we want to know the length. So the length will be 6 centimeter. Here the perimeter is given 320 centimeter. We have to find the area. So perimeter of the square equals to 4 into side. We want to know the side. So side equals to square upon 4. Perimeter of the square upon 4. So perimeter upon 4 means 80 centimeter. And the area means side into side means 80 into 80. It means 6400 square centimeter. How many tiles like the triangle given here will be fit in the white design? So area of the design we have to find. 6 triangular tiles can be fitted. Okay, you can draw or you can see that how many triangles can be fitted. 6 triangles can be fitted. And one triangle equals to 12 centimeters. So 6 triangle equals to 6 into 12 square centimeter. So the area of the design equals to So we will continue with our from next question in our next class. Up to that you have to solve all the sums up to here. And today we have seen about perimeter and area. You have to remember the formula of perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides, and area of the square means 4 means side into side, and the area of rectangle equals to length into breadth, which is the most important formula which will be used in this chapter. Okay, so thank you for listening my class. Thank you.